Today I'm at the Alley in Bellevue, Nebraska. This is a newly remodeled bowling alley that has a mini arcade. They have some claw machines here and some different redemption games, so let's check it out. Alright guys, this is the first game. So this is a toy chest. We're really upset the cross is not working, but pretty much everything's $1 a play. So let's see if we can get this caterpillar right here. Be strong, come on. I can get it one more try. Caterpillar right there, get it, that looks better. See, they're just in awkward shape, I feel like. It's probably not too hard to win. But I don't know, we'll look at the other machines that. These ones are toy chests, so this alien looks pretty gettable if I go for the body, but I'm worried it's gonna stab something else. The claw does not work very well. I'm not sure if these are vended out or if the owner got these, because it's a decently new place, so I'll check in a second. Let's see if that's it. Oh, it's so weak. Okay, guys, I just checked. These are Excel entertainment machines. No comment. Alright guys, we're waiting for Crossy to see if he'll come back on. We're going to be giving Keymaster a shot. It's $1 a play. We'll be going once for each row. We're going to start with going for the Nintendo Switch at the top. They have this Keymaster at Lost and Fun as well. It's also by Excel Entertainment. The prices are very similar. So the Lost and Fun one pays out quite a bit. So hopefully this one does too. Oh, it jumped. That one deviated very obviously. Let's go for the middle row. I'll go for the, should we go for the Stanley or the Lego set?
Stanley.
Let's go for the blue one on the left. Or pick the blue one or the other one. Which one?
I'm okay with either one, right?
That deviated as well.
Deviated?
Yes, it did. The bottom row at Lost and Fun pays out really often, so I'm hoping it's the same here. Oh, it's due. It's due. I went too low, but it is due to pay out. So let's do one more try on this. I think I can get it. Oh my gosh, I went too low again. There we go. Freeze-dried gummy worms. Guys, the Crossy Road just got unplugged and plugged back in, and it's working now. The prizes are really awful, but I just like this game in general, and you only have to beat 85. So, this is a very rare game, regular Crossy Road with a touchscreen instead. Only have to get 85, which should be very easy, because it's obviously just a point a hop. It's like a high score version, but if you beat 85, oh my gosh, maybe that's why it's off.
Oh,
guys, it's lagging really bad. Can you guys see it okay?
No, there's a huge glare.
Well, hopefully you can see some of it. It's a really bad glare for me too, actually, playing.
I know.
So we've got to be 85.
It ain't that easy because it's broken.
Yeah. It works okay, it's just...
If it freezes right at 80, though, you're in trouble.
Got it. Perfect. We don't want to overscore anything, so that is a prize right there. So I'm gonna hit claim. I think... Ooh, which one should I get, guys? They have a fidget spinner on the top. The Nerf has some headphones. In the bottom, there's a clip-on selfie light. Let's go with that first, because I'll play this more than once. So I just clicked number 12, and it should be dispensing this prize now. Is it stuck? Yeah, it is. It's... What the heck? I can't tell if it's... Yeah, it's not moving. It's stuck on the metal part, guys. Look at that. An error has occurred. Please see an attendant. All right, guys. Now it's saying no more prize in spindle. Please choose another prize. So now, I guess. Not really.
None of them are good. What's that Nerf thing?
What is that narwhal on the side? I'm not even sure what it is.
Grab some so we can play it again.
Yeah, let's get the narwhal, number 7. Let's see if this one falls correctly. Oh no, it's stuck again. See, it's stuck on the white bar, guys, just like the other one was. See, yeah, guys, this one was also stuck. It's not gonna fall. So I could do this for every single one, so all the prizes are stuck. I don't know, man. Next up, we're playing the toy chest. We didn't get any of our prizes from Crossy, unfortunately, but with this one, the best strategy is to go for the head of the duck and then hopefully like this. Look, see, we're going for the head. It should clamp around. Oh, something like that. Try another one of the toy chests. Most of the stuff here is not very impressive, but let's see if we can get this one right here. These are generic, so they should be pretty easy to win. The double tap is turned off, but look. Yes, first try, we got it. Let's see if I can win more from here. All right, what should I go for now? I can maybe swing technique for that one. Or, oh yeah, let's go for the shark in the front. Maybe that'll work. Maybe that shark will work right here. See that? Get it? Dig it up by the tail, by the tail. At least we got one. So it's pretty much the same face, but it starts out silver. Then if you like push all the way down, it becomes like the yellow crying laughing emoji. We're going for the shark again. It's just stabbing a lot of stuff, but we'll give it a shot. Hopefully we can get it. That should be it. That's it. That's it. That is it. 100%. That is it. Do not rig. Do not rig. Oh, it didn't rig. Oh my gosh. We can get it. We can get it. I have $2 left, guys. We can get it. Get it. Oh. Guys, did I ruin it? Okay, I have $1 left. We actually have $1 left. Come on, we really want this shark. Come on, come on, come on. Get it. Oh, no. Alright guys, so this was the alley here in Bellevue, Nebraska. They have some claw machines here and some Keymaster, Crossy Road type stuff. There's some maintenance issues and the claw machines aren't overall amazing, but for $13 we got some freeze-dried candy and we got this laughing emoji plush, so not terrible, kind of bad, but it's okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and comment for more, and we'll see you in the next one.